Ebola cases are spiking in Sierra Leone, where more aid is desperately needed. Sierra Leone's president spoke to CCTV expressing his gratitude for China's early help in the crisis.
The Chinese have been most supportive. China is the first country that sent items to us even before the actual outbreak. Because when the outbreak was announced in the neighboring countries, we were in a state of preparedness. Even as we were in the state of preparedness, they provided us with support.
And we'll have the full interview with Sierra Leone's president in the cctv-America News Hour. That's at 9 p.m. Eastern, 9 a.m. Beijing time. In neighboring Liberia, the Red Cross says there are signs the Ebola outbreak may be declining. As CCTV's Katerina Vittozzi reports, there's been a sharp drop in the number of bodies being recovered.
The Liberian Red Cross has said that it has seen a decline in the number of bodies of Ebola victims that they have been collecting in Monserrado County, the county which includes the capital Monrovia. Now, they've seen a decline in the last week since 4 weeks ago. Back then, in late September, they say that they were collecting around 300 bodies. Now they're seeing about 100. Now this could mean two things. First, an absolute decline in the number of Ebola cases in the county, but it could also mean that there are the same number of cases, but they're simply presenting to Ebola treatment units before they die. Now that indeed is an aim of the national and international response here in Liberia. They want to get 70% of Ebola patients into treatment facilities because it's when people stay at home that they become more of an infection risk to others. Now, the World Health Organization says that transmission is still at its most intense here in the capital, Monrovia. Although on a visit to the capital yesterday, the US ambassador to the UN, Samantha Power, said that she was seeing good results from the international and national efforts here to contain the virus. Katerina Vittozzi, CCTV, Monrovia.